You are gonna love this.
Last week on May 7th, David Van Barnveld in Australia had a birthday.
Really?
Really.
Happy birthday, Barney!
Well, now Fun Radio wishes a happy May birthday to Donna Rogers.
So, what high school did you go to?
What do you mean?
What high school did you go to?
Why all the questions about my past?
It was just one question. You made me ask it twice.
And Allie Haley,
Don't waste any time on me. I'm just tech support.
both on the 10th. Margaret Weaver on the 12th.
You know what? I'm going to call someone. I'll just call whoever I want and whenever I want to. That's exactly what I'll do.
Brent Sears
What can I get you guys?
BLT, please.
and Zach Lentz.
Are you trying to, pump the electricity up to the light, or?
No.
Both on the 13th. Whitney Harbin on the 14th.
I'm so excited to be here. I really do appreciate you inviting me.
And Brian Osborne
Don't you think that there's a file like this on all of us? Don't you know that there's one with my name on it?
Amelia Hall,
What's that supposed to mean?
Stephanie Kelly,
Don't you think this is best handled by the police?
and Carrie Duke,
Hey, who is she?
all four on May 15th. Each week, we give away a Fun Radio birthday t-shirt. Listen to find out who won this week's. And you can contact Fun Radio at mail@funradio.us or call 864-261-8425.
It's true what they say, cops and women don't mix. It's like eating a spoonful of Drano. Sure, it'll clean you out, but it'll leave you hollow inside.